The soul hears everything. So it hears all the points of view. Some people crying, some people saying, get this will good riddance for us. Some people really enlightened saying, have a nice journey. So all kinds of views are heard by the soul. Like in ordinary reality, death reality is also ordinary. In ordinary reality, as you hear everybody's opinion, you also hear everybody's opinion, you will see that everybody's opinion very clearly at that time. And the soul has to make choices, to whom to listen, whom not to listen. The same choice that you expect from a living person, the same choice you also expect from a dead person. The condition is the same. The condition doesn't differ. If you are stupidly following idiot's advice here, you are also stupidly following idiot's advice there. If you are following wise people's advice, you are also feeling wise people's advice at that time. Life after death is no different from life before death. As here, so above. So, the same type of confusion stays there also. All the same type of clarity also stays there. There is no difference, Baba. If you don't have any questions about life before death, there can be no questions about life after death. It is the same continuation in all its aspects. It is same continuation. If a fool is here before death, the same fool stays after death. If there is a wise man before death, the same wise man stays after death. There is no difference between life before death and life after death. The same person continues, that's all, with the same psychology, with the same mind, with the same level of enlightenment or lack of enlightenment. There is no difference. As here, so above, that is the whole dictum, Hermetic law. We know what is here, so we know what is above. As here, so above. You know what is here, so therefore you know what is above. The same thing is there. This is the greatest Hermetic law. As here, so above. As below, so above. As here, though there, so there. This is called the Hermetic law. With that law, you can understand everything. Everything is the same. If there is no confusion now here, before death, where is the confusion after death? If there is no clarity now, how can there be a clarity after death? Meditation gives you clarity, whether here or there. Better to have meditation here rather than there. That's why we teach meditation to everybody, so that they will have clarity that there is no death and there is no confusion. With meditation, you easily understand that there is no death. That's why any person who comes in front of us, the first thing we say, hey, close your eyes, observe your breathing, go for half an hour meditation, then only speak to me. Without meditation, you cannot speak to me, or you cannot listen to me. You cannot interact with me. No way. No way. If you want to interact with me, you must learn meditation. If you don't have meditation, you don't exist for me, and I don't exist for you. You have to have meditation to be able to interact with me. And you should have meditation for me to be able to interact with you. So do meditation. Without meditation, you don't exist for me. Nirma doesn't exist for me. Madhu doesn't exist for me. Ram doesn't exist for me. They exist for me because they are meditators. My own brothers and my sisters, they never existed for me because they never did meditation. No. As here, so above. That is the dictum you have to understand. You don't have to see the above. If you have seen the here, the same thing is above. Thank you, Baba.